welcome to Dan's Lawn and Outdoors. I'm Dan, and today I'm going to show you how to change your oil in your lawnmower. Things you'll need for this are an oil catch drain. If your lawnmower has a drain tube, you need a drain tube, and you also need a funnel, and as well you need oil. So we've attached the hose, and now we just have to open that, and it'll allow the oil to drain out. So get the hose properly installed. Don't use vice grips. It's not very good for them. Use an adjustable wrench. Using the oil dipstick, which just make sure you don't have enough or too little oil or too much oil. And on this, the fill line is on the bottom, so you don't want to fill it up past the line that says full. You need a funnel for this. Just make sure you don't over exceed the capacity of oil, because then you might get a little white smoke because you're burning oil. And make sure you don't have too little oil, because obviously then the mower seizes, and that's not very good. Thank you for watching Dan's Lawn and Outdoors. I'm Dan. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have another video idea that you'd like me to do. Thank you.